In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert WordPress website into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a WordPress website and you would like to break it down into individual components like the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can easily do this in various ways. The first one is going to be through a plugin, which I'm going to show you, which might make the process more convenient. However, it is going to be a paid solution. And the secondary one is the manual way, which might require a little bit more setup. However, it is going to give you the same results. So first, if you have a business subscription active and you would like to use the convenient solution with the plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard, choose plugins at the left, and then look for static. The plugin that you are looking for is Simply Static, and this will allow you to transfer over your website and save it as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So all that you have to do is activate the plugin. Like I said before, you will need a business plan. Sadly, I don't have one active at the moment, but as you can see according to the description, Simply Static is a static site generator that converts your existing WordPress website to a static website that you can host on a server, a static hosting provider, or a CDN, and it gives you access to all of the individual components of that page. There are plugins that will do the same function, but like I said before, this is the one that I recommend, and I believe it is going to be suited for a lot of people. Now, if you don't have the business plan like me, then you can do the manual option, which is right-clicking your WordPress page and choosing an option to save as. Now, of course, this is extremely basic, but it will save everything that you need, so the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. However, it isn't going to transfer over some advanced server-side stuff. So if you have a lot of server-side tools attributed to your WordPress page, those might not work. Keep that in mind. This is going to be a limitation overall, so there isn't much that you can do. If you save the page like I showed you there by right-clicking, going over to Save As, you will receive an HTML file and then all of the files inside of your website, including the CSS that it is attributed to. So all that you have to do is right-click, choose the option to save as, and you will have everything available for you here. You might have to do some renaming depending on how it is set up, and like I said before, server-side stuff might break. Keep that in mind before proceeding, but I believe it is a convenient, easy, and fast way to save your WordPress page and do whatever you prefer with the files. Besides this, you will have to use the plugin as I mentioned before. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert WordPress website into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.